Now this is a new letter. It's صاد. صاد. And its sound is صا, not sa. No, صا. صا. Look how it is written. When it is isolated, it's written like this. When it is initial, like this, we cut the part on the left. When it is in the middle, connected from right and from left. And when it is at the end, it's written like this. Sad, as you hear, the sound of sad is similar to the sound of sin, but more emphatic and darker. Sad is pronounced with a full mouth. This letter doesn't have any dots, but its shape is shared by another letter which has a dot on the top, which we haven't studied yet. Now let's read these words. The first word is, it means 0. Sad, fa, ra. Sad here has kasra, so we say si, then fa as-sukun, صف, then r. صفر. صفر, 0. A new word, Egypt. Mim, sad, ra. Mim with kasra, mi, then sad with sukun, mis, then r. Misr, Misr, Egypt. This word, it's composed of 4 letters. Sad, ha, ya, ha. Sa, hi, then long vowel e, then ha. Sahih, sahih, true. Sahih, not sahih, no, sahih. And this, عين صاد يا را. ع, صي, then long vowel e, عصير, 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 juice. Can you read these sentences? He is from Egypt. هو من مصر. هو من مصر. He is from Egypt. In Arabic, we don't use verb to be, so we say he from Egypt. هو من مصر. من أين أنت? Look at this. من أين أنت? From, where, you. من أين أنت? Where are you from? Here I say أنت. So it's used for both male and female. The answer can be, I am from Egypt. Look and try to read. أنا من مصر. أنا من مصر. من أين أنت? أنا من مصر. But if I speak to Ahmed, I say, من أين أنت يا أحمد? It will be, من أين أنت يا أحمد? Then Ahmed can say, أنا من مصر. If we ask the same question to a woman called, for example, Samah, we can say, من أين أنت يا سماح? من أين أنت يا سماح? And the answer can also be, أنا من مصر. I like juice, or I love juice. U, he, then the ba here has shadda and dhamma. So we say, أحب. أحب. What about this word? It starts with al. Al means the. A, si, then long vowel e, asir. Al-asir. It means the juice. Al-asir. But when we connect these 2 words, this alif in the beginning will be silent. So we'll say, أحب bu followed by l. ألف is silent. أحب العصير. أحب العصير. Repeat. أحب العصير. Don't say أحب ال. No, we say ال only when we start with it. Say العصير. But when it is preceded by something, we say أحب العصير. I like juice.